Just $10 a day. That's the entire challenge. The truth is simpler, die. It's not about how much. It's about how often. Most people think wealth needs huge income. That's the biggest myth. What if I told you changing your life only takes $10 a day? Small, consistent investments grow like a seed into a tree. Now imagine investing it instead of just saving it. And that's before any growth, just from saving alone. $10 daily becomes $3,650 a year. Sounds too small to matter, right? Let's do the math together. Discipline shapes a better version of you, one day at a time. Every small action builds a muscle called discipline. Every small action builds a muscle called discipline. This is the power of compounding. Ring. Small money, big results. In 10 years, that habit could turn into tens of thousands of dollars. You can save it, invest it, or grow a small side income with it. Every day, put that same $10 into your future instead. The challenge isn't to spend less and letting, it's to redirect that money. A coffee here, a snack there, a stew. It adds up fast. Most people waste $10 daily without even noticing. This challenge isn't a sprint. It's a staircase you climb daily. But consistency beats perfection every single time. Of course, there will be days you forget or feel like quitting.
Some people use it to learn a new skill instead of spending it.
Skills you build today become income you earn tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Day 1 starts now. So today, take your first $10 and start the challenge.
Small daily choices quietly become your biggest life changes.
One day, you'll look back and thank your past self for starting.
Each $10 is one step closer to financial freedom.